Is that how it's gonna work? You come to my class to sleep? You did it earlier this week. You did it twice last week. Do you come to my classroom just to sleep, or are you actually trying to learn something once in a while? So do I need to give your mom a phone call, drop her an email? Like, how are we gonna get this fixed? Because I'm really, really fed up. I'm not here to teach someone who's sleeping. I know you may not care what happens during class time, but I'm here to teach, some other people are here to learn, and this is not gonna work.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? You're sitting here. I asked you to clean your room, and you want to go out tonight. You haven't done your homework yet. So tell me, what are we going to do about this? You're not answering me, John. I'm getting frustrated. And on top of it all, you want some money for tonight to go out.
But,
John, why should I give you money when you can't do anything I say? I'm tired of this.
Hello? Yeah. He said that?
No. No, don't say that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. No. You can't. No, he's lying.
So, can we talk now?